Cheers, guys. Boom. I just finished doing my workout now, although I didn't show you guys that because I didn't think it was necessary, but I'm just going to be showing you what I eat today. Yeah, this is my first meal of the day, and today I'm not doing intermittent fasting, by the way. I'm an intermittent faster, in case you're not aware, but I'm not doing it today, and it's currently 11 minutes after 9 a.m. I do intermittent fasting, but I don't do it often. Like, I don't do it every single day. Probably in a week I do it 4 times, and then the remaining 3 days I just eat whenever I want. I just thought I should let you guys know. But yeah, look at that, guys. This looks absolutely beautiful. You all are invited. Wow. And with the granola, you don't need sugar. Okay, this is so good. You don't need sugar, you don't need honey. This is so perfect. I love it. You should try it as well. I want to get the nuts down there. My baby is down here collecting from me. Try this, it's so good. Let me try it for the last time for you guys. Wow, this is excellent. Lunch is ready. This is what I'll be having for lunch. Boiled yam with egg and tomato sauce, and a little bit of spinach. Looking so yummy. You can see the number of yam I'm eating. You see that? Yup. So you all are invited. All are invited. You all are invited. Oh, look at that sauce. So good. Looking so yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I just filmed a recipe of this sauce and the boiled yam, so I made a separate video on that. I don't want to include it in this video, so make sure to check the description box below if you want to try it out and see how I made it. All right, guys, so it's 5:42 p.m. and I'm going to blend this and drink. To be honest, after eating that yam and egg sauce, I felt so full. I'm still full right now, but I just want to drink this because this is what I've recently been doing, and it's helping me a lot in the morning. I wake up in the morning feeling less bloated, and it makes me use the toilet, you know. Just poop out everything you ate a day before, and you're just as light as ever. So I'm just going to blend this and drink. I have 4 strawberries there, 1 small lemon, this one right here, half of a cucumber, just half, and this size of ginger. So I've cut everything into pieces, and I'm going to add some water, just about that much. Now we are going to cover and blend till smooth. Done. This is how much we are able to get, and I still have more in the blender. I'll be finishing everything. You can see it's just a tiny bit left in the blender, so I'll finish all. Cheers guys. Cheers once again. So this will bring us to the end of this video. This what I eat in a day video, kind of. This is what I eat on a typical day that I'm not trying to lose weight. I just want to eat and live life to the fullest, because every day is not how do I put it, diet day or fasting day, or I don't know, but this is just me. And by the way, I'm a Nigerian woman, in case you're new to this channel and you don't know me. I'm a Nigerian living in Italy, so I love my African food so much. Like, you can't tell me to stop eating rice, you can't tell me to stop eating fufu, swallow, you know, you can't tell me to stop eating yam. All those our delicacies, Nigerian delicacies, no, you cannot stop me from eating those. So in as much as I'm trying to lose weight or I'm losing weight, I still enjoy my African Nigerian delicacies. So the yam and egg sauce I ate today is actually one of them. Yeah, so on the days I eat normal, like a normal human being like this, the next day I climb the scale, and surprisingly to me, it's either I'm the same weight as I was a day before I, you know, ate whatever it is I ate on that day, or I go down by probably 500 grams, 700 grams, not up to a kilo. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. Or I go up by not up to a kilo as well. So it's just basically me maintaining. So I do this, I just, you know, eat whatever I like to eat during the week, and if I see that the weight is about to come up or go up a bit, I do something about it and then I go back down. That's why I'm not losing weight every day, and that's probably why I've not lost all the weight I want to lose, because it's taking me like 2 years now to lose this weight. But this is just one of the things I do to maintain, because I don't want to be losing the weight every single day. I want to lose weight, but no, if I lose a kilo every single day, that means I will disappear, just like my hubby used to. He used to tell me that, see, oh, I don't want to look for you in this house. Don't disappear in my eyes. Do not disappear in my very before. That's what he usually tells me, that he will be here one day and all of a sudden I will disappear. So I don't want to disappear into thin air just because I'm trying to lose weight. So I lose weight, I maintain. I go up a bit, I lose weight, I maintain. That's how it has been all these years. Sorry guys, my kids are making noise and I don't know if you guys are hearing me, but also, in as much as I'm enjoying my Nigerian foods and all, I always prioritize the healthier ones. Like, I go for the healthier foods. For me, I believe that all the foods I'm eating are healthy foods. It's just that we have to take charge of the portion that we eat. So what helps me all in all is portion control. Before that 3 pieces of yam I showed you in the afternoon, I would definitely eat let's say from 5 upwards, I will be eating and be taking more from the pot and be eating. But now, see, I'm a very disciplined woman, so if I put my mind to do something, I must make sure I finish that thing. Like, I must make sure I get the result I'm looking for. So now I'm determined to lose weight, to stay fit, and to stay healthy. So that portion of yam, to be honest, I couldn't finish it. I was forcing myself to try and finish it, but at the end of the day, I still shared it with my kids. That is to tell you that my stomach has shrunk so much. Before, I will eat that and go for more, eat and go for more, you know, because my tummy was larger then. So whatever it is you're doing, try as much as possible to, you know, cut down the portion of food you eat. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I'll see you all in my next one. Cheers for the last time, guys. You should try this. It's not sweet. I'm not telling you that this thing is sweet. It is not. But what it will do in your body the next day, this night before the next day, is amazing. So try and be doing this. Do not eat heavy meals before you go to bed, okay? You might not sleep well and you might wake up feeling so bloated and so sluggish and all, but I found that drinking this before going to bed, not only this combo, sometimes I do pineapple, sometimes I do cucumber with just the lemon and the ginger. I just add different types of fruits. So if I do this, it helps me, especially the lemon and the ginger in it. It helps burn fat at night while you're sleeping. So try and be incorporating some sort of smoothie or juice to your diet. It will help you a lot. And thank you guys once again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.